Yes, guys, hope you've all had a good trading day. Just going to check in with you because we are only 20 minutes away from market close. Now, US 30, we have had another bearish day, as you can see from this red candlestick formed. But we are trying to push back above this key level. Now, we did have a push down to this other key level that I have just spotted, as I will mark on here. And it hit it perfectly, and it's pushed back up again from this level. As you can see here, look at all this rejection that was formed here as resistance. We had it touched about 8-9 times in a row, 8-9 days in a row. This is the daily chart. And then we had this support here. We also had this big profit taking spike here, which pushed back up when it hit. And today has done the same. Now, last time it did it, it bounced, created quite a big spike, and then we had this massive drop again. Now, could we be seeing this forming again? If we do, we could have this type of movement. We could push back up to around this level where price previously hit before bouncing back down again. And then we could see this kind of movement, the price exploding downwards, because it has happened before and history normally repeats itself. So last time we had a push down to this level, we had a little pullback before the bigger drop. So could we see that again? A little pullback, maybe up to this level here before the bigger drop. So just be prepared. This could happen this week. We could have the pullback this week, and next week we could absolutely drop. But we will just have to wait and see. We've got to play the waiting game. But when this level breaks, then I can see a massive drop. Again, if we do close below this kind of level here, like I said last night, then we could get the push down. We just got to wait and see where price closes in 15 minutes. Now we will go and have a look and see what oil has done today. Again, just like the US 30, we have had some bearish moves today. No, I do not want to join your chart. We have had some bearish moves today. Yeah, again, in the middle of two zones. I'm just waiting to see what happens. If we hit this zone here, then I will sell. If we hit this zone here, then I will buy. If we break this zone, then I'll sell. If we make a run up to this zone and break it, then I will buy. It is that simple. Just zoom out. As you can see, if we break this zone, then my target is here. So again, it's just waiting. You can't just jump in. We're in no man's land at the minute. There's no good just jumping in a trade here because you don't know what way it's going to go. You can't try and predict what way it's going to go. If you do try and predict it, then you're going to lose big. So just wait and see. Again, bearish moves on AU. Everything seems bearish today. Again, off this level from my previous videos, I am still looking for the push down to here. That is basically it for that. Again, no man's land. Silver, I'm still looking for the push down to this level, which explained before was previous support and the first trend line touch here. So I am looking for the push down to that before more upside moves. Again, if this level breaks, then we will be looking down for the next support level. So push down to here is what I'm looking for now. Gold, basically the same. I'm looking for that 1760 kind of level touch before the bounce. If the 1760 level breaks, then this is my next level. But you will get a bounce from this 1760 level. It might only be a small bounce, but you will be able to catch a few pips. And then if it does continue to move up, then you're in the trade, aren't you? If it does push down after a little bounce off this support, then you'll be putting your stop loss at break even or in profit. So you will still profit. I set 2 trades anyway. So I close one at about 30 to 50 pips profit, and then I let the other trade run. So that is a good way of trading. That works for me, might not work for you. GN, again, we are close to this level here. So I am looking for a push up to this level before the bigger move down. That is it on GN. GJ, again, we've hit this level. When did we hit this level? Was it recently? It was earlier today that we did hit this level. I haven't been watching GJ, so I don't know what's been going on with it. But I did say if we came up to this level again, I would be looking at closing. I will just keep my trade open and see what happens, because again, we have rejected this level. But like I say, if we do eventually break and close above this level, then we are going to see some explosive upside moves. If we keep rejecting this level, then again, we are going to see some downside moves, and the 149 area is my target. And I think that 149 level will break once it is touched, and we will fall out the sky. So if you've enjoyed this analysis, I do it on a daily. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you got to do. It all helps the YouTube algorithm. And I will check in with you guys again tomorrow.